Welcome to Six Flags Darien Lake's Fright Fest. Tonight, the park comes alive with haunted mazes, scare zones, and nighttime coaster thrills. From creepy fog to flashing lights, it's a perfect mix of spooky fun and heart-pounding rides for the whole family. Welcome to Six Flags Darien Lake.
Okay, be sure, guys. Thank you.
All right, thank you. First up is Tantrum, Darien Lake's compact but mighty thrill machine. This zero-looping coaster climbs a vertical lift before diving into a beyond vertical drop and tight corkscrews, quick twists, intense airtime, and smooth turns. Tantrum is a can't-miss ride. And it was a really good ride. It was just a tad bit short, but the drop gave crazy ejector airtime and it had some really good G's. Next, we faced Mind Eraser, a suspended looping coaster that lives up to its name. Riders dangle below the track as they're flipped, twisted, and spun through a tangle of inversions, all while your feet are flying free in the night air. A total sensory overload. So we just got off of Mind Eraser, which is a Vekoma SLC, and the new trains make things so much better. Because of the restraints, which is a vest restraint, there's no headbanging moments, so there's only a few forward jolting moments that are really bumpy, but otherwise, it's really good. So here's the Carnival of the Dead, which is one of their mazes, one of the only two mazes here. And it looks very small from the outside. We're not gonna go in, but so Six Flags Darien Lake is a lot quieter than Canada's Wonderland, so all the rides are a lot faster to get on. Now we're going on the Predator. That was so good. Let's walk through Willow Creek Cemetery. That was a little bit underwhelming. And here's the park's legendary powerhouse, Ride of Steel. Built by Intamin, this hypercoaster climbs 208 feet and dives 205 feet at a 68-degree angle, hitting speeds around 73 miles an hour. With an out and back layout over the lake, it strings together three major airtime hills and long, floating negatives before that sweeping turnaround. It's also New York State's tallest and fastest coaster, stretching around 5,400 feet and clocking in at just over 2 minutes, all with a simple lap bar restraint. Under Fright Fest lights, every drop and curve feels even more intense, which is an epic finale to our night. Alright, so being in the dark was so much more fun than regular. Next is Boomerang.
We had the ride to ourselves.
You're first hauled backwards up a 116-foot lift, then released into a cobra roll and vertical loop before being pulled up another spike and sent through it all again but in reverse. In under 2 minutes, you'll experience a total of 6 inversions with speeds around 47 miles an hour. Yeah, that was so much faster than the bat. The thing, it's like the Extreme Skyflyer model that they just got rid of at Wonderland. Here it's over water.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's really cool.
Oh.
I like how everything's over water.
Yeah.
Kind of adds to the cool factor. As we wander past roaming scare actors and weave through glowing pumpkins and haunted decor, we drift towards a park classic, Tin Lizzie's Antique Cars. This gentle drive is a perfect breather, letting you steer vintage-style roadsters along a scenic track, while still soaking up all the Halloween atmosphere. We're getting mobbed. That was a very cool aero looper. It had a lot of positive forces. The whole ride was really good. Oh, we're being followed. Oh no.
We're gonna die.
You should scare her. She's yeah, go scare her. Go scare her. Go scare her. No! Yeah.
What are you talking about scaring her though?
Yeah, scare her.
Just her?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Six Flags Darien Lake during Fright Fest is really cool because of all the smoke and the sound effects and a really overall great experience. Six Flags Darien Lake was awesome. See you at the next adventure. Bye.